Hello everyone, today's math challenge is about handshaking puzzle, which is a classic logic question. There was a conference attended by 100 people and there must be some handshakes among them. We don't know the number of handshakes by each person. Maybe someone has shaken hands with all the others and maybe someone else has not shaken hands at all. Everything is possible. However, we do know that no two people have shaken hands more than once. That means if two people have already shaken hands, they won't do it again. Now, can you prove that there must be two people in this conference who have shaken the same number of hands with the others? This question is quite tricky. You can pause this video and spend as much time as you need to think about it, and we come back for the answer. Okay, let's have a look at it together. The answer to this question is another perfect example of opposite thinking. If it is too hard to prove something occurring, it may be much easier to prove it not occurring, because in our real life there are many events with only two outcomes. For example, in this one, either there are two people shaking the same number of hands with the others, or there are not two people shaking the same number of hands with the others. There is no third possibility. So that means if we can prove one of the outcomes definitely impossible, then the other outcome must be the truth. In this case, let's assume no two people have shaken the same number of hands with the others. Because there are 100 people in this conference, the number of the hands they have shaken must be equal to from 0, 1, 2 until 98 and 99 respectively. 0 means this person has not shaken hands with the others at all. 99 means this person has shaken hands with everybody else. Okay, and then we can prove this is simply impossible based on the description of this question, that is, no two people have shaken hands more than once. You can imagine, if one person has not shaken hands with any of the others, how could another person has shaken 99 hands, which means this person has shaken hands with everybody else, okay? Because it is impossible, and this assumption cannot stand, and there must be at least two people having shaken the same number of hands with the others. Hopefully the question and answer are not too confusing here. Thank you very much.